If you want to collect out opinions of people, then what you can do is you can create forms. So over here you can see that I have a form, and then this simply have questions and it is targeted towards collecting out the answers. But if you want to go around and judge someone based on their answers, like for example, if you want to make a class quiz, then you can see that there is new quiz as an option as well besides new form. If I were to go around and click on new quiz, you won't find it much different to manage than a regular form. But you can go around over here in quiz and then add in title and description for it as well. So I'm just going to go around and say quiz on graphics design right here. And I'm just going to go around and say, please choose the correct answer. So I'm just going to go around and say, please choose the correct answer. Let me just right click and then correct this out as well. So I'm just going to say please, and this is what you have. So now I'm going to go around and click on add new, and let's say this is going to be choice right here. So once you go around onto the choice, you can see that this is like a quiz, and you get an option like that if this is a math question or a multiple answer and required right here. We are going to talk about these types of question in detail in upcoming videos. So when I click on add new, you can see that text is an option as well. And again, you got the other option, and you get point as an option as well, meaning you'll be graded for each of the right answers. And that is how quiz questions are actually designed. So all of the options that you have right here for regular forms are here as well. For example, you can see that there's net promoter score as well, but you can see that there is points for this as well. You can go around, rearrange it, you can delete it as with any other form components right here in regular form, but you get extra points and option to make it like a quiz right here. And that is how you can go around and create out a new quiz and then add in a title and description to your quiz just like this inside of Microsoft Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.